At Golden Dragon Roofing, we're not just roofing experts, we're problem solvers. Today, we're at a beautiful Cape Cod home just outside New York, working on a roof that's seen over 25 years of weathering. This roof has held up well with its 45-year architectural shingles, but over time, water damage from a missing downspout has begun to compromise its integrity. The relentless force of water hitting this roof has caused damage inside. Even though the shingles remain in good shape overall, the water seeps into the structure, threatening the inside of the home, and now it's time for us to take action. We'll begin by carefully removing the damaged sections of the roof, paying attention to every detail. Each shingle, every layer of protection is treated with care. Our team's experience ensures that the new roofing system will not only restore the roof's integrity, but also prevent future water damage from affecting the home. Re-roofing isn't just about replacing shingles. It's about building trust and protecting what matters most to our clients. Remember, when it comes to protecting your home, you deserve the best. Golden Dragon Roofing. Quality you can count on. Service you can trust.